But we really just want to thank you so much for being with us tonight. We hope you enjoyed the show. And Brett, why don't you talk about our final song?
I will, Tim. Thank you. Yeah, I will, Tim. Thank you. Now, thanks, Tim. I think I will.
Sorry, no, don't. You can't do it. I'm laughing at your idiot. All right, ready?
Thanks, Tim. I think I will. Good night, everybody.
All right, ready?
Thanks, Tim. I think I will. Our next song. Thanks, Tim. I think I will. Our next song is one.
And we hope you And I'm Tim Idle.
In February. Thanks, Tim. I think I will. You're laughing at me. Thanks, Tim. I think I will. Thanks, Tim. I think I will. Our next song.
All right, ready?
Thanks, Tim. I think I will. 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 This next song is. Thanks, Tim. I think I will.
Thanks, Tim. I think I will.
Thanks, Tim. I think I will. Now, let's get serious now.
Give me a second. My face is red.
Thanks, Tim. I think I will. Thanks, Tim. I think.
Oh, jeez. Hey.
All right, let's get serious.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Tim. I think I will. Thanks, Tim. I think I will. This next song was performed in 2018 at the church where we normally have our rehearsals. It's one of our favorite songs to sing and one of our most requested. My name is Brett Mulford.
And I'm Tim Beidle, and we were.
Oh, it's not
For
that
the
easy,
love
is
of
it?
Pete!
Thanks, Tim. I think I will.
And it's all on video.
Oh my gosh.